Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the window expert. Today I want to talk to you about 3 common money-saving myths when it comes to buying windows. You'll say, Jeff, I heard that you can save a lot of money if you DIY, do my own windows. You know what? Maybe you can do your own windows. Maybe you can do your own root canal. Maybe you can cut your own hair. I guess it's a way to save money, but it's a myth. I cannot tell you how many people call us out to say, Jeff, yeah, these windows are leaking. I'm going to have to do it again. You know, I started this. It took me a few weeks. I put it in. I thought I could do it. There's a few things you don't want to do, in my opinion. One is you don't want to install your own windows, and you never, ever, ever want to lay your own flooring, especially if it's like that tile that's really complex. I tried laying my own flooring one time. It did not look good. So there's some people out there, you may be one of them that's really qualified, like everything you do, you're great at, and maybe you are the exception to the rule. Maybe you can install your own windows. Maybe you're that guy. But I will tell you there's a few things that you should consider, and I made a video specifically about the things you should be looking for if you're going to be a DIY guy. Maybe that'll help you avoid some of the mistakes I've seen. There's a link below. You can check out this video. It's really a good video. The second myth that I see when people talk about, saving money on their window project is that, you know what, I'm just going to get a contractor, as though all contractors are the same. Not all contractors are the same. They're not. So let me give you a quick example, okay? My son Josh, who actually works for me here at the Window Experts, he's a great person, and he does a lot of good for a lot of people, and he really knows his stuff. He is a grill master. Josh has a grill for brisket. He's got a grill for ribs. He's got another, like a pizza oven. He's got one big grill that he does, he'll do pancakes and breakfast stuff on. He's got, I think, 5 or 6 grills in his backyard. He loves outdoor cooking. Now, Josh and I can both go to the store. We can both grab a steak from the exact same butcher counter, from the same cow, mind you, okay? He can go to his house and cook it. I can go to my house and cook it. And if you could put those on a table and blind test someone, he would win 100% of the time. He's a better chef than I am. He's better at grilling than I am. He does it more than I do it. He's got the best equipment out there. Now, why is that true when it comes to cooking? Maybe you know that example yourself. But it's not true when it comes to a project like installing windows. Of course it's true. Not all contractors are the same. Contractors like us here at the Window Experts, where all we do every day, all our guys do is install windows, versus companies that might do siding and roofing and gutters and patios and pergolas and driveways. Oh, and by the way, we also do windows. We're going to be better at what we do than they are. You're going to have to find a great contractor who really knows what they're doing, is a professional at what they do. And by the way, if you don't live in this area and you're looking for a great one, I created a list of great ones all over the country because I get this question so much. Check it out. It's at jeffslist.com. Then the third money-saving myth about installing windows is a window's a window. It really doesn't matter what you pick. They're all the same. They're all made from the same ingredients. A window's a window. To me, that is the hardest one to disprove on day one, because all windows look good on day one. But you should see the windows on year 5. That's where you really see the difference between a really high quality window and a poor quality window. Don't fall into the trap, right? That says, I need to do this cheap because cheap is more important to me than quality. And granted, don't fall into the trap that says the most expensive window must be the best window out there. That is not true. Some windows are more costly than others because they cost more to make. The ingredients that are in there are more expensive to make, more costly. But being more expensive or being cheaper does not necessarily mean it's better, and not necessarily mean it's worse. Don't base your decision on what it's going to cost today. Base your decision on what value you're getting in the long run. Pick the right installer. Pick a quality window. You've heard me say it before. I'm going to say it one more time. It takes 2 key things to be really happy with your window installation project. Number 1, a window that's really good, and number 2, a really good installer. A great window with a bad installer is a bad window. It's going to give you issues. It's going to leak. It's not going to look right. It's not going to work right. And yet a bad window with a great installer would probably be a better option, but why do that? I always recommend to people, find a great window company near you they're going to have great installers. They're going to only offer high quality products. Those are the keys to being successful with your window project. So you say, Jeff, gee, I didn't realize buying windows was so complex. I know, right? Like a lot of people get confused about buying windows, and that's probably how you found me. You probably had somebody come out to your house and they showed you windows, and now you have questions, and next thing you know, you stumble onto this Jeff guy down in Houston with his YouTube channel. Listen, I've got 300 plus videos helping you not make a mistake. I believe that information is power. The more information you have, the more powerful you are. The more powerful you are, the better decisions you're gonna make. Don't get ripped off. Get a good window, get a good installer at a fair price, and mama's gonna be happy. All right, I hope you like this. Don't forget to like it, subscribe, and share it with all your friends. And if I can be of help at all, please let me know. Check it out at jeffslist.com. Bye-bye.